Greetings everyone and welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time you're watching this channel, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe and leave positive comment. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use cabbage to make a healthy drink. You can drink it hot or cold, and cabbage stalk also. These are the stalks from the cabbage which I cut, and I'm going to take you through the process to make a lovely drinks to detox your tummy and your body and to help your gut health, build up your immune system also. This cabbage drinks, what I'm going to make, it help you to detoxify your body also, and to balance hormone, to clear your body from inflammation and to improve gut health. Cabbage is also full of vitamin C, vitamin K, and also I'm going to add like 1 clove of garlic to it and half of lime, so you don't have to spend too much money by your probiotic or prebiotic. I'm going to show you how to make that naturally. I'm going to go ahead and give them a wash. I'm going to use half a lemon. Bag of garlic. I'm going to use 2 of this with water. I'm going to cover this and let it boil. Okay, this now is ready, so I'm going to strain it off. So now I'm going to strain it off. So with this you can either have it hot or cold, and just tip a little bit of black pepper on the top, and there you go guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.